Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and Drone Dreesy is flying the Latrax Alias.
I was just moving it and it wasn't moving the right way.
Okay, wait, go. You gotta go get it. So I'm out here at the park trying to let him fly the Latrax Alias.
It moved backwards when I moved
Let me see.
forward.
You gotta
And
lay
when
it
I
down
moved
straight.
forward, then it moved.
You gotta take off of something flat, somewhere flat. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
The green is the front, black is the back. Press this in to get it to start, and this is the flip button you have to be high for. This one is the flip button you can be low with.
I know.
Okay, press this once and then press it. Press this once and then press the other side once. Okay?
Okay.
Go. Remember, green is the front. Don't fly it so close to yourself. Fly it out.
Oh my God! No way!
You keep dropping throttle. You got to keep the throttle steady, okay? You got to keep the throttle steady.
Okay.
Press the joystick in on the left side. Okay, bring it down. Don't take it to the trees. What are you doing?
Oh my God!
If it goes to the trees, it's going to be gone, Idris. Bring it down. Bring it down. See, I'm glad you did it down here. It would have been in the tree somewhere, all the way up there.
I was keeping it steady.
No, you weren't. It was all the way up in the air.
When I was keeping it steady,
Jeez, I gotta get this thing down.
forward, and then that's when it stuck.
The freak don't got no hops, y'all.
Like
See
bam.
if I could get it. Got it.
I was just flying up, trying to be steady, and then I didn't go down.
Don't take it up so high. You took it way up high. You know how to not fly it that high.
I made it.
What are you doing? Trying to show off? Don't do that. You're gonna lose it. Okay, go ahead.
What the heck?
Why me check this thing, guys? He's acting as if it's not being steady. I don't know what the heck he's doing. I think maybe you just forgot how to fly, Idris.
I think it is.
Then why are you flying like that?
Because I'm used to.
This side does the multiple flips. You got to be up kind of high. And this side does single flips.
I was flying.
You ready to try again?
Yeah, but I'm used to when the fly button, if I make it go down, it will
Adam,
just
don't go too
down,
far.
not
Stay down here.
stay real
Okay, you
high.
ready, Idris? Come on.
Okay.
Here. Take that. Take off from my hand. Go ahead. Take off now. What happened? No, it sounded like you put it in the wrong mode, Idris. Yeah, you put it in acro mode. Don't push this side. Just push this side.
Okay.
Here. All you have to do is press this side once and take off. You don't have to press any other side. Okay. It's in sport mode now, so you should be able to fly it. Stop wiggling it around. Just fly it forward. Fly it forward and then turn it. You know how to do the turn. Fly it forward, Idris. You're flying it wacky. Yeah, and then turn when you have to turn a different way. Think of it like you're driving a car. Go forward and turn. Use the yaw to turn. the direction that you need to go.
Oh my God!
Not to the trees, please. See?
Oh my God!
Okay, here, one more time. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
No altitude hold on these. I think you're so used to flying them with altitude hold. Don't go that way. You're going to fly it away.
Okay, I'm going down. I'm trying.
Turn it around. The green is the front. Remember, green is the front. Turn it around. You're going the wrong way.
Okay.
Drink, drop it, Idris, drop it. Oh my goodness. You're going to lose it. That's it for you, buddy. Go with your brother. Just go get your brother. Go get your brother. So he doesn't go anywhere. Sheesh. This guy almost flew his drone away. It went up in the tree, but he ended up falling down through the trees and not getting caught up. So it's down here on the ground. Sheesh. Man, I'll tell you. Oh, what did it do? Something came loose. It just went down on me. Something must have come loose, or I don't know what happened to it just now. Let's see, is everything working? Maybe something's bent. Oh, I see. I have a broken foot here, guys. And the little rubber thing that goes on it is gone. So that's why it came down, because this motor over here wasn't touching the gear there, because it slid down because it's broken right here. So that's all we got. It's broken, Drone Dreesy.
Don't blame me.
Thanks for watching.
I was just
Yeah, don't blame him, he says.
I was just used